Hello students, good morning everybody. This video is a continuation of our previous chapter, that is areas of the parallelograms and triangles. So we are going for some more theorems on this. Theorem number 7. Theorem number 7 is telling that is we have to find out the area of a triangle. That is area of a triangle half base into height. We have to prove that one. See, this is ABC, a triangle. We need to prove that is the area of this ABC triangle, it will be half base into height. Now construction. Through A and through C, we are drawing AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC and BA parallel to CD, which actually intersect at point D. Now prove. As because AD parallel to BC and BA parallel to CD, so this is ABCD is a parallelogram. If this parallelograms, we know that is S is the diagonal. This diagonal bisects this parallelogram into two equal parts. That is triangle ABC, it will be half of parallelogram ABCD. So triangle ABC, it will be half of the parallelogram ABCD. Now we know this is AL is the perpendicular on base BC. So the area of this parallelogram, it will be ABCD parallelogram. It will be half equal to base into their corresponding height, that is AL. Then this is half. Half is actually, this is the area of triangle half, and this is BC into AL. This is actually the area of this parallelogram. This is half base into height, and this is proof that is the area of any triangle. It is actually base into height. Next theorem number 8. It is actually telling if two part triangle and a parallelogram on the same base. See, ABC is a triangle and EBCD is a parallelogram who is having the same base BC and same parallel line, and their parallel lines, and the areas of the same equal to the half of the area of the parallelogram. So we need to prove that is area of ABC, it will be half of the parallelogram EBCD. ABCD, we need to prove that one. Construction, we are just draw that perpendicular from A and D on BC, which is AL and DM, which actually BC is produced and meet at point M. Now since AD and BM are parallel and AL equal to DM, because see AL is perpendicular on BC and DM is perpendicular on BM. So this is equal to AL and equal to BM. Now AL equal to BM. Now triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to half base into height. Base is BC, height is equal to AL. So half base into height AL. It is equal to half of BC into AL is actually, this is DM. We can just put it because AL equal to DM. So half, this is BC into DM. It is actually the BC into DM. It is actually the area of the parallelogram EBCD. So we can write that is area of triangle ABC equal to half of the parallelogram EBCD, which is actually the same base and same parallel line. Next is coming theorem number 9. It is actually telling two triangles having the same base, that is equal base, and equal areas lies between the same parallel line. See, triangle ABC and triangle DBC, these two triangles, DBC and ABC, are on the same base BC, and their areas are equal. We need to prove they are actually in the same parallel line, that is BC, AD and BC are these parallel lines. Now construction. We need to just prove, we need to just draw one perpendicular from A to on BC and from D on produced to BC, it is actually intersect at Q. That is AP perpendicular on BC and DQ is perpendicular on BQ. Now area of ABC, we know area of ABC equal to area of DBC. These are equal already given. So area of ABC equal to half of base into height. Base is BC into height into AP. And it is also base is same, that is BC, and half of BC into DQ. So if it is just cutted off from this half and BC are common, so it is just remaining only AP equal to DQ. Now if these two altitudes are equal and then this AP equal to DQ, these are actually the AP is DQ is already given, AP equal to DQ is given. So AP is parallel to DQ because this is on perpendicular, and AP equal to DQ. This is already just proved. AP equal to DQ. AP equal to DQ. This is parallel and equal. So it is a parallelogram. That is APQT is a parallelogram. If APQT is a parallelogram, then that is actually BC is parallel to AD. So here we can just tell that is this is lies in the this triangle ABC, and this that is APQ and ABC and DBC lies in the same parallel line. Next is number 10. If two triangles have equal areas and one side of one triangle is equal to the one side of the other triangle, their corresponding altitudes are equal. So here ABC and DEF two triangles are given, and one side, that is BC equal to EF, is given. We need to prove that is the altitude on BC and altitude on EF of these two triangles, it will be equal. That is AL equal to altitude DM. Now proof. Triangle, it is given triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle DEF. So we know that is half area of triangle equal to half base into height, that is BC into AL, and this is also half base into base, means here EF equal to into DM, this is height. So BC and EF is also already given, so we can put here EF equal to BC. Now both the side, this half and BC are common, this will be cutted off, and remaining it will be AL equal to DM. So we can conclude that is the altitude of these two triangles, it will be equal. So students, you got another 4 theorem on this area of parallelogram. So another 2 theorems are there. If you go through this theorem, you could understand, and it will be very much helpful for you to solve the problems related to area of parallelograms. Thank you very much.